Long-term health conditions and mental well-being. Experiencing health issues can be worrying or upsetting, and this might have been especially true during the coronavirus, COVID-19, outbreak. It's important to remember that it's okay to feel this way. You are not alone, and there are many different ways to manage these difficult feelings and things you can do to help you feel better. Give these ideas a go today. 1. Explore ways to stay connected. Experiencing a long-term health condition can leave us feeling isolated, but there are many ways to connect to others more in our day-to-day lives. You might be experiencing difficult feelings like anger, guilt, or loss. It can be really helpful to talk through the way you feel either with somebody you trust, or by joining an online community or peer support group. Helplines and other organizations also offer expert advice and support across a range of mental health issues. 2. Try relaxation or mindfulness. If you are worried about your health, it can feel hard to distract yourself from feelings of anxiety, worry, or low mood. It's easy to get caught in a spiral of negative thoughts. But mindfulness activities can help you to relax, shift your focus from negative thoughts, and encourage your mind to be in the present. Take a look at my other videos on ways you can relax. 3. Distract yourself. If we face difficulties with our health or have had to spend time in hospital, we might be left with difficult memories that can, at times, feel overwhelming. It's common to feel worried after having a bad experience, but there are ways to overcome this. If you are struggling with memories, images, or thoughts that you find difficult, simple distraction techniques or engaging in something you enjoy can help. Try visualizing a place that brings a sense of peace and calmness, like a beach or forest. Think about what you would be able to hear, see, smell, and touch if you were there. Although distraction can be useful in the short term, in the longer term this approach can become less helpful. Do not hesitate to get further support for your mental health if you feel you need it. Also, I have a video all about controlling your worry, so be sure to check that out. 4. Get better sleep. Good sleep is important for physical health, but it's a great booster for your mental health too. If you find it difficult to fall or stay asleep at night, there are plenty of different things you can try. I've made a video on this explaining different things to try to help achieve a better night's sleep, so be sure to take a look. 5. Look after your lifestyle. Taking care of your general health can help both your physical and mental well-being. Eating a healthy diet, reducing your alcohol intake, if you drink, and getting support to quit smoking, can all help you to feel better. You can also think about introducing exercise into your daily routine. Getting active releases endorphins, a natural chemical that makes us feel happier. You might want to speak about this with a medical professional to make sure you are doing something that suits your individual needs. More helpful videos are available on my channel, so what are you waiting for? Head on over and take a look. See you there. Stay blessed.